Hello everyone. Welcome to this lecture on Amazon RDS. Amazon RDS, that is Relational Database Service, makes it easy to set up, operate, and scale a relational database in the cloud. It provides cost-efficient and resizable capacity while automating time-consuming administrative tasks such as hardware provisioning, database setup, patching, and backups. It frees you to focus on your applications so you can give them the fast performance, high availability, security, and compatibility they need. Amazon RDS is available on several database instance types, optimized for memory, performance, or I/O, and provides you with 6 familiar database engines to choose from, including Amazon Aurora, PostgreSQL, MySQL, MariaDB, Oracle Database, and SQL Server. You can use the AWS Database Migration Service to easily migrate or replicate your existing databases to Amazon RDS. Let's now look into the features of Amazon RDS. The features are categorized into multiple categories. In lower administration burden, it's easy to use. We can use the AWS Management Console, the Amazon RDS command line interface, or simple API calls to access the capabilities of a production-ready relational database in minutes. It enables automatic software patching. Amazon RDS provides best practice guidance by analyzing configuration and usage metrics from your database instances. Recommendations cover areas such as database engine versions, storage, instance types, and networking. You can browse the available recommendations and perform a recommended action immediately, schedule it for your next maintenance window, or dismiss it entirely. Amazon RDS general purpose storage is a SSD-backed storage option which delivers a consistent baseline of 3 IOPS per provision GB and provides the ability to burst up to 3000 IOPS above the baseline. This storage type is suitable for a broad range of database workloads. Amazon RDS provisioned IOPS storage is an SSD-backed storage option designed to deliver fast, predictable, and consistent I/O performance. This storage type is optimized for I/O-intensive transactional OLTP database workloads. You can provision up to 40,000 IOPS per database instance, although your actual realized IOPS may vary based on your database workload, instance type, and database engine choice. Amazon RDS provides push-button compute scaling and easy storage scaling. Read replicas make it easy to elastically scale out beyond the capacity constraints of a single DB instance for read-heavy database workloads. You can create one or more replicas of a given source DB instance and serve high-volume application read traffic from multiple copies of your data, thereby increasing aggregate read throughput. Read replicas are available in Amazon RDS for MySQL, MariaDB, and PostgreSQL, as well as Amazon Aurora. Amazon RDS supports automated backups, database snapshots, and multi-AZ deployments. It also replaces the compute instance in the event of a hardware failure. It supports encryption at rest using AWS KMS and supports the use of SSL to secure data in transit. AWS recommends that you run your database instance in Amazon VPC, which allows you isolate your database in your own virtual network and connect to your on-premises IT infrastructure using industry-standard encrypted IPsec VPNs. Amazon RDS is integrated with AWS Identity and Access Management and provides you the ability to control the actions that your AWS IAM users and groups can take on specific Amazon RDS resources from database instances through snapshots, parameter groups, and option groups. Amazon RDS provides monitoring and custom metrics using Amazon CloudWatch. Amazon RDS can notify you via email or SMS text message of database events through Amazon SNS. Amazon RDS integrates with AWS Config to support compliance and enhance security by recording and auditing changes to the configuration of your DB instance, including parameter groups, subnet groups, snapshots, security groups, and event subscriptions. With Amazon RDS, you pay only for what you use. Amazon RDS reserved instances give you the option to reserve a DB instance for a 1 or 3-year term and in turn receive a significant discount compared to the on-demand instance pricing for the DB instance. Amazon RDS allows you to easily stop and start your database instances for up to 7 days at a time. This makes it easy and affordable to use databases for development and test purposes. where the database is not required to be running all of the time. Amazon RDS Performance Insights is a database performance tuning and monitoring feature that helps you quickly assess the load on your database and determine when and where to take action. Performance Insights allows users to detect performance problems with an easy to understand dashboard that visualizes database load. It requires no configuration or maintenance and is currently available for Amazon Aurora, Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL, Amazon RDS for MySQL, and Amazon RDS for Oracle. Here are the few benefits of using Amazon RDS. It is easy to administer, it is highly scalable, it is available and durable, fast, secure, and it is inexpensive. Here are some of the use cases in which Amazon RDS can be used. It is used in web and mobile applications, e-commerce applications, and mobile and online games. Let's now log into the AWS Management Console. So I am on the RDS landing page. I've clicked on Create Database. For this demo, I'll select MySQL database engine. Then click on Next. I'll go ahead with the default settings. Since I've used free tier eligible, the multi-AZ deployment is disabled. I'll give a DB instance identifier name, the username, and the password. I'll then click on Next. Here, I'll use the default VPC, the default subnet group, and I'll set the public accessibility to yes. I'll choose 1A as the availability zone. For this demo, I'll let enhanced monitoring to be disabled. These are the multiple options which we can use and is highly useful for production deployments. I'll unselect the deletion protection, but for production instances, do select this. I'll then click on Create Database. It will take a couple of minutes for the database to be launched. The status is currently creating. After some time, it will be available. Take a note of the endpoint. Using this, we'll connect to this database. I'm trying to connect to the database using AWS Cloud9. So by entering the connect statement as well as by entering the password, I'm able to connect to the database instance. I can run some queries, the show database, then can enter into one of the databases called MySQL, then try to see the tables present in this database. I'll then quit the MySQL console and then delete the database instance. For additional reading on this topic, please use below reference. In the next video, we'll look into NoSQL databases and have a brief overview about DynamoDB. All the best and have a nice day. Thank you.